Hi, my name is Richard. Welcome to Sudoku School lesson number 4. Next step is square C1 location 9. Square C1 is over there, location 9 is over there, and looking as you see this row, only two available spaces empty. One space is for a number 2 and number 6. As you see, number 2 already exists in this row. One available space for number 2 in square C1 is over there, because in this location second empty location, it's already number 2 exists in this row, in these columns. Next step is square A1 location 9. Square A1 location 9 is one available space in this row, and this will be for number 6. Square C2 location 1 will be for number 7, because as you see in this row only is two available space. Number 7 exists in this row. There's one available space for number 7 in square C2 is over there. Next step will be square C2 location 2. This is this area. As you see, only one available number. It's in this location, and this will be this available space will be for number 9 in square C2. As you see, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, only for number 9. Next step will be square C1 location 6. Square C1 is over there, location 6 is over there, and this will be for number 9. As you see, number 9 already exists in this row, and number 9 already exists in this row, in these columns. There's one available space for number 9 in square C1 is over there. Next will be square C1 location 3. Square C1 location 3 will be for number 8. As you see in these columns, number already exists. And as you see in this column, number 8 already exists. Now, that one available space for number 8 and square C1 is over there. And next step will be square C2 location 9. C2 location 9 is over there. As you see in this column, only two available space. And this space will be for number 4, because another space cannot be, because in this row 4 is already existing. One available space for number 4 in this square is over there. Next step is square C3 location 3. C3 is over there, and location 3 is over there, and this will be for number 6, because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will be 2, 7, 8, 9. Will be square C3 location 7. C3 location 7 is sorry, C3 location 9, it's C3 is over there and location 9 is over there, and this will be for number 9. As you see in this row, 9 already exists, in this column 9 already exists, and the one available space for number 9 in square C3 is over there. Square C3 is over there, and location 5 is over there, and this will be for number 4, because as you see number 4 already exists in this row, as one value so number 4 is over there. Step is square C3 location 1. C3 has only one available space, this will be for number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next step will be square C2 location 5. Square C2 is over there, location 5 is over there. This will be for number 2, because as you see in this row, number 2 already exists. There's one available space in this square C2 is over there. Next step is square C2 location 4. C2 already is this square, location 4 will be for number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The location for as available location, one available location, number 6. Next step is square C1 location 2. C1 location C1 square is over there, location 2 is over there, will be for number 6, because 6 already exists in this row, and C already exists in this on this column, C, and in this row also already exists. One available space for 6 in square C1 is over there. Next step will square is C1 location 5. C1 is over there and location 5 is over there. This will be for number 1, because this column has number 1 and this column has number 1. There's a available space for number 1 in this square is over there. Next step will be square C1 location 1. Square C1 location 1 will be location 1, it will be for number 4, because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This will be for number 4. Step is square B1 location 4. B1 is this square and location 4 is this square, because as you see 4 already exists in this row. There's one available space for 4 in square B1 is over there. Square B1 location 1 is over there, it will be for number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This will be for number 2. Step is square A1 location 1. A1 square is over there and location 1 is over there. This will be for number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is for number 1. Square A2 location 8. A2 location 8. Square A2, so the location 8 is over there, and this will be for number 1. This row already exists, number 1. and this column already exists, number 1 with the there's one available space for number 1 in this square is over there. Step is square A2 location 7. The square A2 is over there and location 7 is over there, and this is for number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is for number 6. Next step is square A3 location 5. Square A3 is over there, location 5 is over there, and this will be for number 6, because as you see in this columns number 6 already exists, in this column number 6 already exists, in this row number 6 already exists, and this row number 6 already exists. There's one available space for number 6 in square 8-3 is over there. That is square 8-3 location 2. Square 8-3 location 2 is over there, and this will be for number 5, because as you see number 5 already exists in this row, number 5 already exists in this column over there, and number 5 already exists in this column over there. There is one available space for number 5 in square 8-3 is over there. Eight-3 location 4 is over there. This will be for number 2. This location will be for number 2. As you see in this row, number 2 already exists, and this row number 2 already exists. There's one available space for number 2 in square 8-3 is over there. Square 8-1 number 5, location 5. 8-1 is square over there, and location 5 is over there. This will be for number 2. As you see, number 2 exists in this column, and number 2 exists in this column. There is one available space for number 2 in square 8-1 is over there. Next step is square 8-1 location 4. The last 13 steps in this guide, step-by-step guide, I hope help you solve this Sudoku. The link for this step-by-step guide you are going to find as a link in Sudoku School lesson number 2. See you soon for next more challenge for Sudoku. Thank you.